Hello everyone and welcome back. If you can't access your team's workspace in Buffer, invite new members, or manage team permissions, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer team access issues in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solutions step by step. First, sign in to your Buffer account and open the workspace where you're experiencing the issue. Make sure you're logged into the correct Buffer account, especially if you have multiple accounts. Next, check your role in the workspace. Some features, such as inviting members, removing users, or managing channels, are available only to workspace owners or administrators. If you don't have the required permissions, contact your workspace owner for assistance. If you've received a team invitation but can't join the workspace, open the invitation email again and click the invitation link. If the link has expired, ask the workspace owner to send you a new invitation. Now, refresh the Buffer dashboard and sign out of your account. Close your browser completely, reopen it, and sign back in. This refreshes your session and often resolves temporary access issues. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, restart your browser, and try accessing the workspace again. You should also verify that your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can prevent workspace data and team settings from loading correctly. Next, try using another browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. Browser-related issues can sometimes affect team management features. Temporarily